How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. So if in your TikTok application you are not able to find the profile view option, what you want to do is head over to your Play Store application. In here, search for TikTok. And if there is the update button right next to TikTok, you want to tap on that button and update your TikTok application to the latest version. Once you have done that, tap on the settings, scroll down, and you want to head over to apps. So over here, search for TikTok. And now tap on storage. So here you want to tap on clear cache option. After you have cleared your cache, you want to open your TikTok application. Head over to the profile section. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen and tap on settings and privacy. From here, select privacy. And if you scroll down, you will find the profile views button. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.